This is NAVITEL T757 4G, and today in this quick video I'll show how you can confirm the authenticity of this tablet. So first and foremost, take the tablet itself and the packaging or the box that it came inside, or came in rather. Then you gotta launch settings, then enter the About Tablet category. In here, tap at the model spec, and at the model and hardware, the thing that we are interested in is the serial number. So compare the serial number over here with the serial number that you have at the packaging sticker. So here it is in my case, and as long as those correspond, which they are for me, and as long as they correspond, you are 100% golden to know, and you can rest assured that you are indeed an owner of the original and authentic, what is it called? NAVITEL T787. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.